5 mistakes why students are unable to clear IIT despite being very intelligent and despite working very hard for last 2 years. When I was in class 12th, I used to work very hard, at least 12 hours a day, and I was my school topper, and yet I was unable to clear IIT. I reflected on this fact the next year and figured out 5 mistakes that I did, because of which I was unable to clear this exam. I worked on those 5 mistakes, and then that year I was able to get into IIT Delhi. Keeping my first foot into IIT Delhi was the most proud moment for my family and me. Now, as an IIT Maths faculty for last 11 years, I have observed a student doing the same mistakes over and over again. And by correcting those 5 mistakes, I have been able to obtain results for hundreds of such students. So it is important to do less amount of syllabus, but do it like really well to get very good marks in IIT. Most of the students think that first they will complete the syllabus, then they will revise, and then they will write mock test papers. But by the time their syllabus gets over, it is already October, November. And when they start revising, they realize that they have forgotten most of the class 11 syllabus. And then there is no time to write mock test papers. But the fact of the situation remains that even if you do 50% of the syllabus and you convert that 50% into marks in your exams, you will definitely land up into some NIT. Most of the students think that they require a lot of knowledge in order to clear IIT means, and hence they invest 80% of their time into learning and 20% of their time into practice. In that 20% of time, they are able to solve around 20 to 25 questions per day. But the fact of the situation remains that they have to appear for a 3-hour exam in which they have to attempt 75 questions. So it is more than important that they should practice at least 75 to 100 questions per day to develop problem solving skill, because that is the most important skill that is going to help them in exams. Most students complain that their scores have become stagnant. Now scores become stagnant because every day you are learning new content and you are forgetting the older content. So the sum total of your learning remains same. So if you want to improve your scores, it is very important that you should revise whole of your syllabus at least once a week, so that whatever you are learning gets added up. Most students have this tendency to avoid tests, and they will find very good reasons to do that. Now why they do that is basically they feel that somehow by writing tests they will get a feedback which is not convenient to them and their self-image. But the idea is whatever learning that you are doing will only work correctly if you have a right feedback mechanism into place, through which you can learn what kind of mistakes are you doing, what can be the next steps for improvement. And if you are able to make a system where there are mock tests that you take on your own and there is somebody to discuss those mock tests with, then ultimately your progress can be like exponential, because you are filling up all the gaps that are there in your preparation. Imagine an athlete going into an Olympics without having a personal coach into place. Now that is what most of the students do. They enter into a national level exam without having a personalized mentor, a personalized coach into place. Now what does that do is they depend on advices from YouTube, they depend on advices from mass coaching that are meant in general and not specifically for them. And every student is different, their weaknesses, their strengths are different, the things they can accomplish are different. And hence you need a personalized mentor, a coach that works for you, that works with you in achieving your potential. Now with 50 years of combined teaching experience, we have come up with a program that works to eradicate these 5 mistakes that most of the students do. In this program, first we devise a strategy that will work for you under a mentor, in which we figure out how many topics you need to cover, how you need to do that, what are the gaps in those topics, and then there are teachers who take care of those gaps in your learning on a one-on-one basis. Once you are done with this, we have put a system of revision and mock tests into place so that there is continuous feedback flowing and you are continuously growing in the process. Students with little, less or no knowledge has come to us at this point of time, and we were able to obtain great results for them. If you want to have such kind of results, apply now. Jaspreet came to us 1 or 2 months before the exam, and we were able to get a 99 percentile in IIT JEE Main in just a matter of 3 to 4 months. If you want such kind of results for you, apply now. Kashvi came to us with just 44 percentile after first attempt, and in next 2 to 3 months we were able to improve her score up to 95 percentile. If you want to have such kind of transformative results, apply now. Rafi came to us with just 10 marks in mathematics, and we were able to quadruple his results and help him achieve 95 percentile in just a matter of 21 days. If you want such exponential growth in your result, apply now.